Oh, definitely. We're focused on distributed solar power generation in the US and Europe. So we're looking to build projects and create power and produce power in the location where it will be used. So this is definitely a growing segment of the market. We're seeing about $1 trillion market opportunity in the United States and $1 trillion market opportunity in Europe. I would say also, in addition to which, there are key incentives both with the Inflation Reduction Act in the US and across the UK and the European Union. We see more and more incentives for expanding rooftop solar. So, very excited about the opportunities before us. Well, certainly we see investors more and more adopting strategies to look at renewable energy and distributed solar power generation. Our focus is to bring investable opportunities to the institutional market at scale, so affording institutional investors the opportunity to put significant capital to work in the sector. These tend to be small to mid-sized projects, so aggregating them together into diversified portfolios of long-term cash flows. Well, certainly, again, these are small to mid-sized projects. They tend to be 500 kilowatt up to maybe 20 megawatt at the most. Very diverse across regions in the United States. Different states have different regulatory environments. Across the EU and the UK, we see different regulatory environments as well. So it's definitely a local business where investors and fund managers need to understand the regulatory environment, the local market participants, and really get into the weeds on the ground to be successful. Well, certainly skills having to do with market-based environments, such we've seen in the United States, such as credit risk management, commodity risk, understanding the retail customer base, vertically integrated businesses, risk management. All of these are the factors that are involved. Leases when it comes to commercial and industrial solar power generation facilities. These are large buildings. And rooftops where you're selling the power to a variety of off-takers such as utilities, military bases, municipalities, corporations, community solar, so different types of users of power across the economy. We see these as definitely challenges in understanding all of these markets. Definitely growing. I think we see an increasing opportunity for rooftop solar. As an example, France, which is mostly nuclear and is short power, we've seen an incentive in place now to increase commercial and industrial rooftop solar by a factor of 50%. We see this also in the UK and across the EU, more and more demand for rolling out distributed solar because it can be up and running quickly and is fairly reliable and is cost effective.